Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add someone as a collaborator on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and create or upload the video you want to post. Edit your video as needed, then tap next to go to the posting screen. Before posting, look for the Invite Collaborators option. Tap Invite Collaborators to continue. Now search for and select the person or people you would like to add as collaborators on the video. Once you've selected the collaborators, tap Done. Review your post settings, caption, and other options, then tap Post to publish the video and send the collaboration invitation. The invited collaborator will receive a notification in their system notifications section as well as on the video itself. They can review the invitation and choose whether to accept it. Once the collaborator accepts the invitation, a tag will appear on the video. The video will then be displayed on both your profile and the collaborator's profile, allowing both accounts to share engagement on the same post. If the collaborator does not accept the invitation, the video will remain on your profile only. Keep in mind that the collaboration feature may not be available to all TikTok accounts or in all regions, so some users may not see the Invite Collaborators option yet. If you don't see the feature, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version and check again later as TikTok continues to expand availability. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.